Hi, Hamish from Face Value Cleaning Services, coming from a beautiful renovated home that we've done today. The guys have done an absolute amazing job. To give you just a bit of a basic rundown of what we do in a renovation clean or a builder's clean, it's windows, it's bathrooms, it's kitchens, it's the works. I could bore you and go through absolutely every little detail that we do, but what we'll do, we'll put a link up or a write up on the side, and you can see what we do. Let's have a look around, guys. That's a great man. So clean, just got serious. And then we'll see who we get.
It's like,
You know who you
it's
are.
not serious. Talk soon.
Okay.